Found an STE file in a web development project folder? This defines an entire website structure in Adobe Dreamweaver, the blueprint that keeps all your site connections and paths organized. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import and manage these site configuration files. If you frequently deal with unusual STE file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. STE files are site definition export files from Adobe Dreamweaver containing website project configurations, including local and remote server paths, FTP credentials, file mapping rules, and site management settings. They enable portable transfer of complete Dreamweaver site configurations between installations. Dreamweaver STE site definition files use XML-based markup storing, site name local root folder path remote server connection parameters, including FTP SFTP and WebDAV credentials, cloaking rules, design notes, settings, and testing server configuration for web development workflows. The STE file originated with and is formally handled by Adobe Dreamweaver, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows can launch them in a browser for basic testing or preview. Go ahead and right-click your STE file, then choose Open With. Try Adobe Dreamweaver if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If the STE file won't budge, stay calm. The STE file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, importing in Dreamweaver. Open Adobe Dreamweaver and navigate to Site, then Manage Sites. Then Import. Select the STE file to import the complete site definition. Dreamweaver creates the site configuration with all server connections, file paths, and management rules ready for web development work. Next, verifying server connections. After importing test, the remote server connection using site then put, or the site panel's connect button. Update FTP credentials if they have changed since the STE file was exported. Verify local root folder paths match your current file system structure, and adjust if files have been relocated. Finally, updating site settings. Modify imported site settings through Site, then Manage Sites, then Edit. Update remote server addresses, authentication credentials, and local file paths. Reconfigure testing server parameters if your development environment differs from the original configuration stored in the STE export. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.